Welcome back to Concepts in Arithmetic. In our last video, we discussed how to work with word problems. And remember, those word problems show up in the K-3 curriculum sometimes pretty early. And we discussed something called a teacher's solution for kind of keeping track of our work. So the criteria that I'm expecting to see if I ask for a teacher's solution is I want a simple, clear, written solution. Include the essentials and then stop. And the reason that we want things that way is that long explanations can actually be more confusing, especially when we're talking about word problems at this level, the K3 level. Let's tackle a few examples and work on some teacher solutions here. So I've got Primary Math 3A right here. I'm going to do a handful of problems from this. Okay, I'm going to do number 8 right here and then go to number 7. Okay, number 8, very straightforward problem, as we'll see in just one second. Mrs. Owen bought 3 boxes of beads. There were 260 beads in each box. How many beads did she buy altogether? Okay, let me see here. I'm on 3A, this is page 55. We're looking at number 8. Okay, so she had 3 boxes of beads. So we're going to have a bar diagram with 3 bars. Whoops. Each of the bars represents a box of beads. So each of these bars has 260 beads. The question is how many altogether? Okay, so 1 unit in this diagram equals 260 beads. Therefore, 3 units would be 3 times 260 beads. Okay, that can be done mentally, of course. Okay, 3 times 200 is 600. 3 times 60 is 180. So we have 780. Miss Owen has 780 beads. Okay, so very clear teacher solution. We have a bar diagram giving a visual representation of what's going on. Each of the bars represents 1 box of beads. We know there's 260 in each bar, so we have 3 times that in the total of all 3 bars. I did say that I wanted to do number 7 here as well. This is a little trickier, but still not so bad. Remember, this is still a 3rd grade level problem. Okay, so a radio costs $262. A television costs 4 times as much as the radio. How much does the television set cost? Now, the reason this is sometimes tricky for people is the way the problem is worded. Okay, so we have this bar here that represents our radio. That's 262. Down here, we have the bar representing the television. Now, the bar for the television is supposed to be 4 times as long as the bar for the radio. Okay? So the question is, how long is this down here? So 1 unit equals $262. 4 units would be 4 times $262. Can be done by mental math. 4 times 200 is 800. 4 times 60 is 240. So now we're at 1040. And then 8. The TV costs $1,248. Okay, so once again, bar diagram, computation, sentence, done. Okay. The reason sometimes people get tripped up is TV costs 4 times as much as the radio. They try to take the TV cost and multiply it by 4. Okay, but of course that's not what we need to do. Okay, to get the cost of the TV, we start with the cost of the radio and then multiply by 4. Okay, so be careful when problems are worded like that. I want to do one more for you here, get a teacher solution for this one. I'm going to switch things up here. Here we're looking at Primary Math 5A, and I am on page 25, looking at number 5 right here. Matthew has twice as many stickers as David. How many stickers must Matthew give David so that they will each have 120 stickers? Okay, so this is going to be a multi-step problem. Okay, so we were in 5A, we're looking at page 25, and this is number 5. Okay, so first thing I note here, okay, Matthew has twice as many stickers as David, so I can make a bar diagram of that situation. I'll have kind of the bars laid side by side. Matthew has twice as many stickers as David, so that'll be David's stickers. And then Matthew will have twice as many, so the bar representing Matthew's stickers will have 2 segments. Okay, so I got these 3 bars total. This bar down here is made up of 2 segments. Okay, we get that. Now the question is, how long is each of those segments? It doesn't tell me how many stickers David has, and it doesn't tell me how many stickers Matthew has. But let's look down here. Okay, how many stickers must Matthew give David so they each have 120? Now we're not introducing any new stickers, we're just taking some from Matthew and giving them to David. And if we can do that, and they each have 120, that must mean there's 240 stickers total. Okay? So, 3 units here equals 240 stickers. Let me give myself some more room, that was a little cramped. So the 3 units in the bar diagram equals 240 stickers. So that means each unit equals 80 stickers. Okay, so we've just found out something right here. David has 80 stickers and Matthew has 160. Okay, so how many should we take away from Matthew to give to David? And the answer is pretty clear right there, right? If we took this second bar and cut it in half so that it wasn't length 80, it was length 2 bars, length 40, then we could do that. So we'll just go ahead and write that down. Matthew should give David 40 stickers. Okay, so no long explanations of anything. Okay, your teacher's solution should be right to the point. Focus only on the essentials.